So guys, today we'll be replacing the 2004 Toyota Tacoma door lock actuator on the driver's side. We have the new one here. It's already tested and it's ready to be replaced, and there's still the one in there. Then I'll be showing you guys how to replace your door actuator on your Toyota Tacoma. And then you take out these 3 bolts. There's a window channel held by these 2 bolts. And once you unscrew those 2 bolts, this comes out. Take this off, and it makes everything easier because now it's out of your way. So on these gear wrenches, you can just put it like this, and you can use it as a screwdriver. This go out, this thing will drop, so you're gonna have to hold it. Take the clips off, and then this will just come out. You can actually, so after you take off all the clips, this should be able to come right out like this. There's some kind of wire. So this is the door lock actuator. And after you get all that done, this should come right out like this. And then this is the OEM one, and this is the aftermarket from China. Almost look the same. I think it's just missing this clip. No, it has. It's right after you get your aftermarket actuator. You're going to want to put it in and make sure those 3 holes align. I already started by putting 1 so it doesn't fall off. Make sure your 3 holes are aligned.
Called your father now.
So after you get all the internals back together, at least you get it like in there, secured. We're gonna test it, see if it works before I put everything back together. So you'll see it's locked. I'm try to open it. It doesn't move. Then when we unlock it, so guys, now you have your door panel, and you're gonna want to get your door panel on. So first connect all your cables. Now that that's on, you're gonna wanna get the Phillips head screwed up. So now that everything's put back together, we replaced the actuator, everything's back together. We're gonna see if we went through all that and it works. Let's see. So it's gonna be locked. It's locked. It won't open. Then we're gonna unlock it, and it opens. Now, and that is how to replace your 2004 Toyota Tacoma door actuator. And stay tuned for the next video.